Hello.
Hi everybody. Today we have two dynamic social butterflies as our guests. We have Sonal Bhatia.
Hello.
And Reshma Patel.
Hello.
The real queens.
Exactly. So, welcome to our podcast number 3. So, here I introduced our real queen, vibrant real queen. So, audience, stay tuned because she's going to have the real making for all our Baku excitements.
We all are looking forward.
Of course. Anytime.
So yes, Sonal is a dedicated homemaker and a proud mom of 2. Her life mantra, we live life only once, so make the most of it. And I remember the famous dialogue from the movie, which is the
Chalo
movie? Oh, exactly. She clicked it right. So a travel enthusiast and a social butterfly, always open to making new friends. She thrives on new experiences. She also loves staying updated and engaged on social media, keeping up with the latest trends. And I'm sure all the latest reels we see at her profile. Her motto, tension lene ka nahi, dene ka. Oh my God. I'm sure it is all about the friends tension because Rajesh की smile देख के तो लगता नहीं है कि सोनल उसको tension देती है.
टेंशन वहाँ से भी आती है.
अच्छा, loading and loading.
So here we have Reshma Patel, who is a loving wife and a caring daughter. She's a proud mother of 2 sons. She's a homemaker and as well as a director in the audiovisual company. She's a marketing director and handles digital marketing and PR for their company. She's a big follower of VK Shivani and a proud Rotarian at Rotary Club of Elegant and going to be a fellowship director for the coming year and a happy member at JVPT.
Yes, thank you so much, Simran,
Oh,
for the
that's
nice
such a
introduction.
Reshma,
Thank you.
You are wearing so many hats.
And
Amazing.
this is one more.
Yeah, and
Today we are here with 2 beautiful ladies,
and your
most
smile
talented and smart.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. It's all mutual, all here.
More vibrant.
More vibrant.
More vibrant, actually. But that's really a secret side of Reshma. I never heard that she's working too. Oh my God.
I have
that's
always
fantastic.
been partly working, so
That's
because
really
our
nice.
business doesn't need us to be physically present
all the
time.
Yeah.
So
So remote.
I can stay at home and still be active in our business.
So nice. It must be really how difficult it is because social and I think you
It
balance
was,
it
yeah.
very well.
Now the kids are grown up, so of course the life has become very easier. But initial years were not so easy. So we'll go one by one. So you will come to know
yes.
what struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's, it's all about the women. Every time she opens up a new card.
And everybody's surprised.
Surprise, true.
I would add to this point that every decade my life had taken a 360-degree change.
Oh, that must be
and
so exciting,
luckily
but-
it's in a positive way. So
So good.
I'm open to it.
That's so
Yeah.
good.
And
Changes are
that's
always
the
better.
thrilling life, it's so, actually it's so positive. Having the change. I mean, whatever it is, if there is no ups, there is no downs, I don't feel to live like, it has to be.
If we talk about this podcast for 1 week, I was in double mind. What will I say? If I'll go there, what will I talk? I don't know what to talk. Then I said, no, I want to do it. I will give a chance, and I will definitely attempt.
End of the podcast, we would want to talk more and more and more. I'm sure.
And Simran, I'm so surprised. Before coming to the podcast, all my girls were like, oh, we are feeling a little fearful. What we'll be saying, as Reshma also mentioned this thing. And after coming to this couch, after going, people are calling, we have 4 more questions. I want to talk about more. So that's the achievement we have already
the
achieved.
couch, there's something there
Oh,
that makes the
magical,
people,
I guess.
Yeah, the
It
talking
is.
couch. Can we call it
we
as
can
a talking
say that,
couch?
talking
Yeah.
couch.
That's true.
There is magic in our President Raksha actually.
that's
So we truly believe that it's not. I
The
mean,
vibrancy.
yes.
So I have a good team, and which
You both
they're
are
having
truly
this good
inspiration
team
for
and
us, so-
all of your support, it really makes the difference.
Always there. Thank you so much.
All the positive energies I am getting in, so it's
all about our
reflecting.
pleasure.
It's reflecting.
Thank you.
So let's begin with
Yeah.
yes.
So Reshma Sonal, was being a homemaker always your plan, or did life take you in this direction?
I got married when I was in second year of my college.
Oh, that young.
And yes, then I shifted. I was studying in Surat, and then I got married in came to Bombay. Then within a month, I had to decide whether if I want to study. I had to change my college because every college will not allow me if I'm not attending the classes. So immediately, with support of my husband Jaideep, I changed my college, and with self-study, I completed BCom education. So thinking about the career was totally out of the dictionary. But when I was a young girl, one thought was always in my mind that we all should become financially independent.
कुछ तो करना
So, but ठीक है, Jaideep did not give me chance to totally become financially independent. But I'm very happy.
No,
Whatever
but even
life
I
is
strongly
that taken
believe in
me.
that. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, we are such a
Of
blessed
course.
people. But whatever the way life takes us, we should be financially independent. But even not just us, even to
Everyone.
our children also we should teach. And in
Yes.
every category of the social background, every
That's
woman
true.
should be financially independent. Then only a nation will grow. And in 2045, we are looking to Viksit Bharat. Will achieve that target once after every woman is independent.
Right now, we are not financially independent. We should be capable of being financially independent if the need arises.
Exactly, exactly.
That's true. I agree to that.
So, all of us should all think from that direction कि no, education कभी
it is
व्यर्थ
must.
नहीं
It's a
जाता है.
necessity,
It
yeah.
is a necessity because education can always be used.
And it
when
adds
needed.
value. It adds value to the system wherever you are, be it home, be it workplace, be it anywhere, even in social circles.
That's
it
true.
adds value. So
Sunil, what's your take?
See, I come from a very small town, so I was married to my childhood sweetheart.
I know that's such a cute
Love
love
marriage.
story. Yeah.
So, शादी की जल्दी. The thing was that. So, okay, I got married at my 20 years of age, and then there was like I didn't think more about it. Just it happened. I went with the flow. I would say that homemaker was the only thing I thought that time. But after marriage, I saw many opportunities. Being in a small town, we never saw that. So after getting married, I saw many opportunities of getting more professional, being more on this working woman style and all. I was very fascinated. For 2-3 years, I did exhibitions and on clothing and all. I did my thing, but unfortunately, death in the family, and then my kids were young, family responsibility. I had to stop. No regrets about it, but yeah, I enjoy being a homemaker.
Yeah, that-
I'm happy and
You
content
need
with
it
it.
there,
Yeah.
where, and that's the priorities at every
Of
stage or
course.
phase of life.
it
You have to
changes.
prioritize.
Yeah, it keeps changing.
And
Yes.
if you prioritize your thing and
Of
you do
course.
the best in that, you're good.
Yeah.
But I still feel like you can become a good influencer.
I am crossing my fingers on
that's
that.
true.
Hoping to
That's
be
the latest career options,
Yeah,
you know.
now
And it's so
influencer.
fascinating. So
Fascinated
fascinating.
about
Even she's a good content creator also.
That's
I would
what-
say she can do it professionally.
हर पार्टी की जान है.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, thank you.
That's true. That's true.
And,
We also
on
believe
the other
that.
side, I saw a very kind side of Sonal. Like I remember, I recall that the Bengali sari when at Sindoor Khela, she came and instantly before that we had barely interacted with each other. But that time instantly she supported with the draping and all. So I really loved the way.
We have talked before about the Women's Day. Queens should support.
Exactly.
So I agree with that theory, and I would always support whoever.
She's so kind.
That's
She's
so
so
nice.
kind. Always so supportive.
But with you, we can be more for that.
always, we are always
Even you
together.
taught us that same in the whole year.
That's
We are
true.
always together.
So tell me, what's the one thing you do every morning that sets the tone for your entire day?
In my 40s, I have started doing one practice in the morning. I start my day with prayers, pranayam, and meditation. That sets my day.
That must be making you so peaceful.
Yes.
And you'll be like, bring it
In
on.
early age, we did not
Bring it on.
getting that much knowledge and time, but in my 40s, I have started doing this, and that gives me all my questions, whatever questions comes to my mind, whatever hurts, emotional balance, I get from that.
इसलिए रेशमा, you look very calm.
Calm.
Composed.
Very
Always calm and composed.
कभी गुस्सा नहीं आता है?
ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है,
आता होगा
but
but वो जदीप सहन करता होगा.
आवाज तो कभी ऊंची होती
I don't disclose, but my life was not so easy
That's
as
so
a child. I have lost my father at very early age, so we had so many emotional turbulence during the siblings. Parents, sometimes it's not only about you have to take care of your parent, mother, your siblings, so it was not very easy, but of course with time, thanks to my mother-in-law, she is very good, very caring, so I learned from her to follow spirituality.
Really sorry to hear about your loss, Reshma. But you know, Simran, when I hear so many stories from the different women and even so many guests at our podcast as well, so I find a little of me in every story. You know, somewhat, somewhere, some says I got married at a very early age, then I lost my father. Some say when I look at my children. So it's so correlating, and I believe that we all women are like this.
That's
I don't know why we.
Every woman's journey somewhere, we relate to each other.
That's true.
And I think किसी का तो same होता ही है.
And I think when we take it so positively, if we build a positive energy together, we can really create the difference. So, Sonal, what values or life lessons do you focus on teaching your children?
First of all, I would like to be like them to be self-independent. That is the most what I think it is necessary for them. Speak their mind, but not be disrespectful to elders or anyone. But what I have seen now, kids are more practical nowadays. Both the kids have been very matured enough now for their age that I have not been at my age. Thanks to God, I would say that. And that's all I would say. The most important is this.
Yeah, so values are very
Values
important.
is very important for them.
Because the values are the things that we can, give as a gift to our children.
Of course.
What values or life lessons do you focus on teaching your children?
Truth and honesty, these are two strong mantras I follow in my life, and I would like to see my kids also. They are not no kids, they are big men now, so they should also follow this mantra in their life. If I go back to my childhood, my relatives were used to compare my personality with the movie called Damini.
Oh,
So at that age, I did not understand much about the character and story, but whenever I remember that incident, I take proud of myself that I have that strong, you can say, willpower to stick with the truth and honesty.
And stand
Very
up for
nice.
injustice.
Yes.
That's very nice.
And one more thing I like to teach my children, that suno sabki, karo apne
Karo
man
man
ki.
ki.
So I don't force my children to take decision according to our desire.
That's so
That's
good.
very
So you
nice.
give them a free hand.
Yeah.
That's so
We give
then only
advice,
children
but final decision should be their own.
So Sonal, how do you handle moments of exhaustions or burnout? I'm sure ki you must
Music
be
is
doing that.
the best therapy,
Yeah.
I would say. I love music. You name it, I can tell all the lyrics of the song. I love music
fantastic.
a lot.
Bollywood
And
queen?
Bollywood, yes.
She is
of
a
course.
true Bollywood queen, you can say.
I can just say any song at any situation.
Really? अभी बता दे एक गाना.
Sing a song for
एक
us.
गाना. अब ये
Sing a song
ये
for us.
सिचुएशन के लिए
Yes.
कौन सा सॉन्ग?
Yes.
यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या नहीं किया सोबल शुक्रिया
शुक्रिया, सोबा शुक्रिया.
That's so spontaneous.
So
And you know,
nice.
it's not about the songs which she remembers or recalls. It's all about the presence of mind. Having at this podcast, at the live show, if she can pick instantly something, that shows
That's commendable.
the
That's my love
actually
for
the
music.
courage.
That's so good.
Yes.
And other
That's
than
true.
that, I would have good sets of friends whom I can call, talk, meet down in the building. The best of friends, I have best sets of friends, I would say that. They
Yes.
all are very
They are
enthusiastic.
Vitamin G,
All are
vitamin
very-
G.
Yes, vitamin G we cannot forget. That is vitamin gossip.
Vitamin gossip, playing cards, making reels,
Yeah.
name the thing and
And
we are there.
So all
So
of
that's
them are
stress
partners in
busters.
crime.
Yeah.
सारी मस्ती हम सब कर सकते हैं जहाँ भेजो हम सब पहुँच जाएंगे
That's the way you should live life to the fullest.
King
and I
size,
think
king
both
size.
of you all are
Queen
doing
size.
that
Yes.
and living up to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
So both of you all stay blessed and thank you so much for coming over and
Thank you so
making
much.
our podcast so much fun to be
The
with.
pleasure was all
Actually.
Thank you so much,
Before
and we are going to
before
cherish
what
this
is your
moment.
favorite food? Knowing she is a Gujju. So, what is your favorite food? Do you start your day with the dhoklas?
I start my day with batata poha, but dokla is also one of my favorite.
So she forgot khakra.
Khakra, that's
is my
true.
favorite one. I know.
Khakra. I start my day with khakra, that's true.
That's called the bestie.
Yes.
Sometimes we ourselves forget about us.
Friends are there to remind.
But ये
That's
दोस्त वो
true.
होते हैं जो हमेशा याद दिला देते हैं.
Girl vacations, that is.
Then I will look for khakra. Do we have khakra?
So when we go to Baku, we need to pack khakras for you.
I will pay for
She'll be
myself
paying
and
for all
everyone,
of
don't
us.
worry.
We are sorted.
We are sorry.
Definitely.
So I'm sure some Sindhi curry will also will follow with it.
Definitely. सिंधी करी लेके जाना मुश्किल है बाकू में. You come home, I'll treat you for that.
Nice.
That's so sweet of you.
Maybe some cookies in Lolas, you never know.
That I can do
yes.
that for sure.
She didn't say this option, huh? The friend told her.
All a partner in crime. So we will get the best.
Yes.
Being Sindhi, you also can make the same.
दूसरों के हाथ का खाने में ज्यादा मजा
We'll get it from you, don't
We want
worry.
Marwari also. Not that. We want
We'll give you
Marwari as well.
mukwas.
Chalega.
Marwadis are the most foodie. I
And
believe that.
she's very awesome host. उसके घर
Yeah,
जाओ.
of course.
Oh God. तो पूरा
No
table
need to.
सजा देती
We all
है.
have experienced that. We all have experienced that.
Marwari, I think all are foodies. और हम सभी हैं.
हाँ,
ऐसे.
let's celebrate each other with each other.
That's true.
Thank you so
Reshma.
much. Thank you,
so much.
Simran and Raksha. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, girls.
Thanks.